Y'all, this is so crazy. I had to go on live and just share with y'all. I can't believe myself right now. I can't believe what I have just created. So in this moment, I had to go on live to show y'all the food scientist at work. Okay, I'm in the lab right now. Okay, hold on, cause I'm blown away. Hold on. Wow. This is out of control. I have created raw vegan, okay, loaves of bread. Did y'all hear? Hold on, because I don't think y'all heard what I had said. This is a loaf of bread. I now have slices of bread that I have created out of vegetables. No. And it's not even cooked. Y'all, I don't even know what to do with myself. This is a slice of bread, y'all. You can't tell. What? Do y'all see do you see the crust happening here? Are you seeing this? Are y'all seeing this? There is a crust. These are sesame seeds on top of sliced bread, raw vegan, completely raw. Okay? So they're 100% fermented, made of sprouted. I made a whole bunch of different types. So they're all made of like sprouted quinoa, sprouted chickpeas. It took me several days to make this, y'all. Like I've been working on this for, I would say, because it took about 3 days for the sprouting. It took about 1 day to get some of my ingredients fermented, because it's fermented bread, so it has like this sour taste, like sourdough bread. Hold on, because I'm gonna have to give y'all an example. I had to get an avocado because I don't think I've ever grabbed an avocado this quickly in my life to make some avocado toast on my raw vegan bread. Look at this entire loaf of bread. How sweet. It rose. Y'all cannot tell me that I'm not a scientist. Y'all cannot. I made a cinnamon raisin loaf of raw vegan. Do y'all see the cinnamon, the way it smells? I wish I could smell. I can't even believe this right now. I can't even. And that's why I just had to go on live and just share this, because this is out of control. I have officially. What? Nah. Okay, hold on. Because we gonna have to run this avocado toast. We're going to have to run this avocado toast, and we're going to have to do a full-blown recipe, taste tested. I can't even believe what just took place in my kitchen. So my thing, like the past, and I got a perfect avocado. Praise God. Okay, give thanks and praise. Wow. No. I had to walk away. Because I was in disbelief. Do y'all ever have moments where you are almost disgusted at your own brilliance? Like, y'all don't understand. This has been like a thing for me, like the past, I would say like 21 days, just studying fermented foods. Like that has just been my like thing right now, just like wanting to learn how to cultivate good bacteria in the kitchen, really for gut health, right? So the nerve of me to then go ahead. This is the best thing since sliced bread. Okay, give thanks and praise. Wow. Wow. I haven't even sliced the cinnamon raisin loaf yet because I'm simply not ready. I'm simply not ready. I have my plate here. We gonna get some avocado toast popping on my raw bread slices. Oh my goodness. I can't even, wow. Wow. I'm now I've never seen this at any raw vegan restaurant that I have been to across this globe. I have never seen them present raw vegan bread like this. That is actually like a real loaf. I've seen the flatbreads. We've done the flatbreads. We've seen that before. Wow, I feel like I don't even need to do much because the bread is speaking volumes. I'm just, wow. I don't even have to make this fancy. I was thinking about even, adding all this extra stuff to the avocado. I don't even have to do that. I'm gonna do some cracked black pepper. Oh my goodness. This is a slice of bread. Y'all. Can y'all believe me? Can y'all believe this happening in this moment? Because I'm in disbelief. I just created, this is avocado toast and it's not cooked. Excuse me? This is sourdough bread that I just put in the dehydrator and fermented. We're gonna get this taste test because give thanks and praise. I'm thanking the Most High for giving me the inspiration to just be inspired. That's what I'm thankful for. It's so pretty. I don't even want to what? What? Are y'all seeing this? Oh my gosh. Okay, we go try it. No. Not the inside. You know when the food hit, when you really gotta examine. Huh? It's like, okay. The crust. We gonna get into the crust and then we'll get into the inside. I need another bite. Hold on. Yes. The crust has like this crispiness to it. But the inside is perfectly moist, good sourdough bread. It has that moisture, but it also is fluffy. So it has the moisture, but it has the fluff as well. I'm just, wow. I need y'all to really get into but then it has the sour from the, oh wow. I can eat this by itself. I don't even need avocado. I can eat the bread. Unbelievable. Absolutely unbelievable. Absolutely unbelievable. I'm just like, I'm in awe at the fluffiness. Y'all want some? Y'all want some? Y'all can take a bite. Wow. I'm very excited about this chickpea, quinoa, cinnamon raisin bread loaf that I had the nerve to then go the extra mile. Wow. Wow. It's literally perfect. Like, no edits. All right, y'all. I literally just had to go on live and just share this with y'all because I'm in awe. I'm in awe. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue because I still got some other things I'd like to create in a lab today. But this is just to show you that anything is possible, okay? Anything is possible. Who would have known? Like, what? I just, anything is possible, okay? Have a beautiful day, y'all. Peace.